Hello, I'm Mara Trumbo, and although I've been trained as a traditional artist, when this new form of abstract painting came out called Flip Cup, I absolutely went crazy over it. Always sort of painted against every rule in the book, so this is just for me, experimenting with basic colors and a little bit of liquids that I'll be putting the recipe up on, and this is the primary colors and white all mixed together, as you'll see in other YouTube artist videos. This is just a quick glimpse at what I've done today, and I was never really happy about my cells, and all of a sudden I am getting them. It's almost like making bread and waiting for it to rise. It's an absolutely wonderful experience. Here I'm trying to hold my camera with one hand, the straw with the other, and I'm not having much success. But anyway, what I'm doing is blowing air through a straw to get the colors to move towards the corners and to mix a little bit. And they form different shapes, as you see, as the harder you blow. I'll probably need my asthma pump spray in a minute, but this is the final effect when you'll see it as it comes up. I'm trying to get the paint to go over the edge, and perhaps I should have poured a little bit more of the mix instead of trying to hold it back for a second pouring, but I'm absolutely thrilled with the amount of cells that have come up. The second one, since it had rested a little bit in the cup, seemed to have come out much better. Look at the cells. I'm absolutely thrilled. It looks like lace. I've got plain white around the three colors, and I'm waiting for it to expand and move over, so you have to tilt it sideways until it does. And here we are. This is the final piece as it came out. I'm thrilled with this one too. And with the leftover paint, I did some swiping on paper, and I used my cardstock that I normally make my cards with, and this is the abstract that came out, still with a few little cells. Well, that was a fun afternoon, a few hours spent in my kitchen and in my studio. Join me again. I'll be doing some more videos for you, and I'll be posting them on my Facebook page. Bye for now.